Monarch butterflies engage in really fascinating migration pattern through time and space across a continental scale landscape. In the late fall, adult monarchs from the northern United States migrate down all the way to Mexico, in central Mexico, where they overwinter. In the spring season, those same butterflies recolonize the southern United States, where they will eventually lay eggs and die. That next generation continues the journey back into the northern United States, thus completing the cycle of successive brood migration. Along the way, monarchs are heavily relying on milkweed host plants. These insects are specialists on milkweeds. So as the larvae are consuming the plant, they're also sequestering toxic steroids called cardenolides that provide them defense in the form of aposematic black and orange wings. These milkweed host plants are under severe threat due to the increased use of herbicides in landscapes dominated by genetically modified crop fields. So the reason we need to look at this is in order to better understand the relationship between the milkweed host plant and the monarch, to show how important this role actually is. My research is showing that in investigating these two widely distributed host plants, Asclepias viridis in the southern United States and Asclepias syriaca in the northern United States, we can show a relationship and an important role that these play in the livelihood and the migration patterns of this charismatic insect. I work in the field to collect data on larval growth patterns and larval preference, as well as chemical analysis of adult butterflies reared on both of these two species to show just the concentration of how much toxin they're actually sequestering. I'm able then to provide a unique contribution in digital imaging analysis of the wings, as shown in the bottom right, to display a potential correlation between this toxic sequestration and wing color. In doing this collectively, I'm able to get a better appreciation for how these butterflies are utilizing their host plants. In conclusion, my research hopes to inform the public, agriculture professionals, and also legislators in just how important this milkweed host plant is for these monarch butterflies. And we can hopefully show and promote conservation of these plants to then protect vital ecosystem services that these monarchs provide in the form of pollination. Thank you.